Hi, David. Can I come in?
Of course, please have a seat. So, how are things going?
Things are going well, just quite busy at the moment.
Today's meeting is about your performance review. So, we're going to talk about how things are going at work. And this is a safe conversation. You can be honest.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
So, how do you feel about your job in general?
I like my job. I like helping people.
Good. What do you think about your workload?
Sometimes I have many tasks at the same time. It can be stressful.
I understand. The office is having a hard time now. Many people are on sick leave.
I understand.
To be honest, the last thing I want is more staff on sick leave right now.
Okay.
I noticed you had several absences last month. Is your health okay?
Thanks for asking. My health is actually a private matter. And unfortunately, no one can control when they get sick.
I know, but sometimes I feel people use sick leaves too easily for minor problems. Of course, this doesn't apply to our colleague Mari, who is fighting cancer.
Oh,
I think our health system has been too generous for a long time now.
I see what you mean. But let's go back to the main point of this meeting, my performance review.
Yes, of course. There are some things I'd like to discuss regarding your performance.
Okay,
How do you feel about communication in the team?
I think it's good.
Yeah, because I heard from some colleagues that you were a bit upset last week and didn't respond to greetings.
Oh, I'm sorry if I made someone feel that way. It was not my intention. I'm not sure where that came from.
Remember, this is a safe conversation and you can be honest with me.
I am being honest.
Okay, how do you feel about your work-life balance?
Um, Sometimes I feel tired after work. I try to rest and take care of myself. A good balance is important for me.
Absolutely. Do you have feedback for me as a manager?
Um, Hi there. What do you think was wrong in this meeting? Did the manager say something wrong? Tell me in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe and follow for more.